Welcome to the Westlaw website. Feel free to look around and check out some of the features like specialty areas, trending legal documents, and news and insight section of the page. Our first goal today is going to be to use the search function by inputting keywords into the search bar with and without filters. As you can see, there is a search bar right in the middle of the page, and the first thing we are going to do is go over to the side of the search bar and choose our jurisdiction or the state. So everything we search for will pertain to the state of Oregon and include federal related jurisdiction as well. It is also here that we could narrow down our search options further if we needed to based on the type of federal court or the circuit. Today we're going to choose Oregon, we're going to include the related federal, and then we're going to hit save. Once this has been done, we can now execute a search. Today we're going to try and search the word evidence. Before you hit enter after typing in the word evidence, please take a look at some of the suggestions that Westlaw makes. First, we're going to click on what is the definition of substantial evidence, just to take a look and see what some of these suggestions can do. As you can see, the results pull up definitions of substantial evidence. They also pull up cases where substantial evidence needs to be defined, and a list of other cases, court orders, statutes and court rulings, public records, expert materials, briefs, etc., where substantial evidence makes an appearance. Let's go back to our original search, just the word evidence, and now we're going to hit enter at the end. As you can see, once our page loads, there are over 10,000 cases that have the word evidence in them. So what we're going to do is apply a filter and try and narrow it down. So we'll click on the filter button up here, and we're going to choose a filter. We're going to choose just one for right now. We're going to start with practice area. What this will do is allow you to narrow it down based on the type of case this is: criminal, immigration, securities, insurance. So for today, we're going to choose taxation. What this will do is take our 10,000 search results and narrow it down to just 459. The other thing we can do is narrow it down even further by choosing a jurisdiction. We can choose federal or just the state of Oregon. In this instance, we're going to choose just the state of Oregon. So we go from 10,000 cases that have the word evidence in them down to just 79. We can also further narrow it down if we wanted to by choosing a judge or a date or reported status. But for this instance, we're just going to apply the two filters. Before moving on to the next video, please take a minute or two to try your own searches. Try searching for words like forgery, perjury, and immunity, and see how you can narrow these terms down further using these filters.